Hi there! I am going to be showing you how to do Beautycounter's Flawless in 5 makeup set. This makeup set is really great because it gives you all of the products, 6 products that you might need to complete a perfect daytime look, and it's super easy to build upon if you want to do something more glamorous or heavy for a night. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use Beautycounter's Tint Skin and Sand. I apply it to the back of my hand, swirl it around with my brush, and apply to the center of my face. Next step is the concealer pen. Next, I'm putting on the blush, and I love this color. This is called Nectar. So you tap the brush into the palette, smile and tap into the apples of your cheeks. After I apply the blush, I like to blend it with a round brush. Next, I'm going to do the brows. Next step is a quick coat of mascara. This is Beautycounter's Volumizing Mascara. And last is the lip gloss. I am using Peony, which is a really bright, pretty light pink. So as you can see, it was really simple to put together a really nice daytime flawless look using Beautycounter's Flawless in 5, and I love that it gives you everything that you need: foundation, concealer, blush, brow pencil, mascara, and a lip gloss, and you're set and good to go. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out. Thanks so much for watching.